I'm answering a few questions that I've had about my Sew Like a Pro kit, which is currently on pre-sale for £7. My name is V Tanner. I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. Bookmark this so you can come back to it later. Do we have continuous access to the modules after paying? You certainly do. You have lifetime access to all 9 masterclasses for as long as you want. Is the pre-order for £7 for the full set of modules or just one of them? Many thanks. Yes, it's for all 9 modules for £7. It's crazy, isn't it? Do you give lessons? Yes. Buy my Sew Like a Pro kit. It's on pre-sale for £7 until the 16th of October. Do I need a computer to view the content, or can my phone open it? Yes, it is mobile friendly. Look, let me show you. So when you've bought it, you get a screen like that. And if you hit here, view program, and there you'll see all the different modules. When you first buy it, you start here, you go to that module, and it opens up. There's a few questions to answer about your current sewing, and here you have the chance to have some input into the final content. You can also see the other modules, all the other 9 masterclasses. They are faded out with a lock symbol on it because they're going to be released on the 31st of October. The tutorials themselves are between a minute long to no more than 10 minutes for any one tutorial. So you can dip in and out when you've got pockets of time and do it whatever time of day that you like. Are the lessons live or can they be viewed anytime? You can view them anytime. They're not live, they're pre-recorded, and I upload them to the membership platform and you can access them forever, for whenever you like. Website shows it's $99 right now. Am I doing something wrong? And does it matter that I'm in the US? No, it doesn't matter that you're in the US. You can be anywhere in the world to do this because it's on demand. You just access it whenever you want. £99 is the full price, but at the moment it's on pre-sale for £7 up until the 16th of October. So get it now because it's never going to be this cheap again. Any questions? Just ask. Link is in my bio.